Hello, you are welcome to my channel. The question here says find the current across each resistor. Now, there's a special method to solve problems like this. We don't need to start going through the long method of looking for the voltage across each of them and then from there we'll calculate the current. A short method of doing this is to take the two resistors. Don't forget the resistors are 20 ohm and 30 ohm. And then now we are going to share this current of 5 amp between these two resistors in the ratio 30 is to 20 respectively. So that means this 20 ohm takes the ratio 30, while this 30 ohm takes the ratio 20. So it's just like interchanging their values to get the ratio. Now, when we are doing this, we have to be careful so that we will not take exactly the same 20 as the ratio and 30 as the ratio. You have to remember to change or interchange the values. So 20 takes the ratio 30 and 30 takes the ratio 20, just as I've stated here respectively. Now, don't forget that in ratio, we have to get the total. So the total ratio is equal to 30 plus 20, and that is 50 as the total ratio. Now that we have the total ratio, we can go ahead and share the current between the two of them. So now for the 20 ohm resistor, for us to get the current across it, we take its ratio. Don't forget its ratio is 30. So we take its ratio 30 divided by the total ratio, which is 50. Don't forget the ratio sharing method. Then multiplied by what we are sharing between them. We are sharing 5 ampere between them. So we are sharing 5 between them. So you have to multiply by what is being shared between them. So now this 0 cancel 0 and then 5 cancel 5. And then we are left with only 3 over 1, which is equal to 3 ampere. So that means the current across the 20 ohm resistor is 3 ampere. Now for the 30 ohm resistor, for us to get the current, we also apply the same method. But don't forget, since we already know out of 5, since 3 is already passing through the 20 ohm, the remaining 2 out of 5 now we pass through the 30 ohm. But let's show it mathematically here from the calculation. So we already know that the answer across this one should be 2. But let's show it mathematically. Don't forget the ratio is 20. For this 30 ohm, its ratio is 20. So we are going to take its ratio, which is 20, divided by the total ratio, which is 50. The total ratio 50, and then multiply it by what is being shared between them. What is being shared between them is this 5 ampere, which is the value 5. So 0 cancel 0, and then 5 cancel 5. So we are left with just 2 over 1, and that is 2 ampere. So these are the values. So for the 20 ohm resistor, 3 ampere is the current flowing through it. And for the 30 ohm resistor, 2 ampere is the current flowing through it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, this is a very simple method that works for every 2 resistors like this. That current is being shared between them. Resistors in parallel. Don't forget they are in parallel. So you can always share current like this between them by using this ratio method. Hope you enjoyed this special method for electricity sharing of current, and I believe you share this among your friends and classmates so that they can also learn this method as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.